Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating the Google form with the exact fields you need. Make sure types match Excel expectations. Once done, open the Responses tab and click the green Sheets icon to create or pick a linked Google Sheet. This is mandatory because Forms writes only to Sheets. Make sure responses appear as rows and that column headers are clean. Note the sheet ID from the URL. You'll need it to publish or query the file later when connecting to Excel. Next, publish the linked Google Sheet so Excel can pull live data. In Sheets, choose File, Share, then Publish to Web. Select the specific responses sheet and choose CSV format. This gives a stable URL Excel can read. Alternatively, get the Sheet's URL and GID if you prefer Power Query web queries. Make sure the published CSV updates instantly when new responses arrive. Test by submitting a dummy response. Once confirmed, you're ready to import into Excel. Finally, open Excel and go to Data, then Get Data. From Web, paste the published CSV URL and import. Use Power Query to promote headers, adjust data types, and apply filters or transforms, then load to a table or pivot table. Set query properties to refresh on open or every n minutes so new form responses appear in Excel automatically. If data stops updating, republish the sheet and confirm sharing settings. Also verify the CSV URL hasn't changed. Republishing or fixing permissions resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.